Welcome back to another skills tutorial. Today I'm going to go over 5 Jude Bellingham soccer skills that he uses all over the field to glide past defenders. We'll be going over the La Croqueta, the cut or the chop, the body feint, the L drag, and the Stepover Turn. Hope you enjoy the video. Alright, first skill we're going over is the La Croqueta. Very simple, 2 touches of the ball. It's a quick shuffle of the ball from one side of your body to the other, and then exploding forward. This is a beautiful move to use when you're in 1v1 situation. The defender commits, you glide right past him. If the defender tries to lunge in and steal the ball, bait him, and then go. Say you receive the ball, and a defender's coming and closes you down quickly, receive it. And of course, we want to practice with our dominant and non-dominant foot. So go to your left, then practice going to your right. Alright, this next one Jude loves to use in and around the 18. It's essentially just a cut or a chop. So he likes to receive the ball, say he's receiving it with his right foot. He likes to wind up and act like he's either going to pass or shoot with his right foot, and he's going to chop it or cut it back to his left foot and get a shot away. So here it is. This is another simple, very easy skill move to master, but it's highly effective. What he's trying to do is get the defender off balance, think he's going to take a shot, cuts it back. He's now created space and time for himself to either create, dish it off to a player, or take a shot himself. All right, this next skill is a simple body feint. He uses it all over the pitch, but especially at the top of the box. Simply dips his shoulder to the left, touches the ball to the right, and gets a hit. It's so simple, but it's so effective because it's achieving the whole purpose of the skill, which is to get the defender off balance, and then you're exploding the opposite way, either slipping a through ball or getting a shot yourself. There can be multiple variations of this. Either tap the ball to one side and then dip your shoulder. The key with the body feint is to sell it. The more you fake like you're going the opposite way, the more the defender's going to buy it and jump that way. All right, this next one is called an L drag or an L turn, and he does this a lot in the center of the pitch. When things are congested, he may have received the ball from a pass from a teammate on his back foot, and he's anticipating this defender coming in hard. Simply roll the ball with the sole of your foot and then tap it with the inside of the same foot, taking it away from the defender at an angle. So it goes like this. Receive the ball, boom, boom. All right, final skill move is the Stepover Turn. So he does this a lot in the center of the pitch when he has a defender on his back. He has his back to the defender. He's gonna fake step over the ball like he's going one way, turn and spin with the ball the opposite direction. The trick here is to really sell it with your step and then explode in the opposite direction. Notice the first time I did it, I stepped over and then feinted my foot. It's too slow. Don't even put that plant foot down. Your next touch is on the ball. Boom, boom. So really sell it and then explode out of there. All right, guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other skills you want me to do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.